Hi there. If you're looking to start earning some extra income online from the comfort of your own home, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to get started with earning money online. Step 1. Choose a skill or service you can offer. The first step to earning money online is to figure out what you can offer. Do you have a skill, talent, or service that people might be willing to pay for? This could be anything from writing, graphic design, web development, social media management, virtual assistants, or even tutoring. Step 2. Set up your online presence. Once you've decided what you can offer, it's time to set up your online presence. You'll need a platform to showcase your skills and services. This could be a website, a blog, or even a social media profile. Step 3. Build your portfolio. Before you can start earning money online, you need to prove your worth. That's where your portfolio comes in. Create a collection of your best work to showcase your skills and abilities. This will help potential clients see what you're capable of. Step 4. Start marketing yourself. Now it's time to start marketing yourself. You can do this by reaching out to potential clients directly or by using platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr to find gigs. You can also use social media to promote your services and build your brand. Step 5. Deliver quality work and build your reputation. Once you start landing gigs, it's important to deliver quality work and build a good reputation. Happy clients will leave positive reviews, which will help you attract more clients in the future. Step 6. Keep learning and expanding your skills. Finally, it's important to keep learning and expanding your skills. The online world is constantly evolving, so it's important to stay up to date with the latest trends and technologies. This will help you stay competitive and continue to earn money online. Conclusion. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to earning money online from home. Remember, it takes time and effort to build a successful online business, but with persistence and dedication, you can achieve your goals. Good luck.